I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Canva for making a resume. First, navigate to Canva's website and use the search bar to find Resume Templates. You'll discover thousands of professionally designed options, offering a fantastic starting point. Take your time to browse and select a template that truly resonates with your career goals and personal style. This initial step is crucial for setting the right tone for your application. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to make it your own. Simply click on any text box to input your contact details, work history, and educational background. Canva offers extensive customization options, allowing you to change fonts, colors, and element sizes with just a few clicks. You can also effortlessly upload your professional headshot or any relevant portfolio images to enhance your resume's visual appeal. To further refine your resume, explore Canva's vast library of design elements. You can add icons to represent skills, use shapes to create visual breaks, or incorporate lines to separate sections clearly. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes rearranging elements incredibly simple, allowing you to achieve perfect balance. Always pay attention to consistent spacing and alignment. These small details make a big difference in presenting a polished document. Before you finalize your resume, dedicate ample time to proofreading every single word. Check for any grammatical errors, typos, or inconsistencies in formatting. Once you are completely satisfied, download your resume as a high-quality PDF, which is ideal for both printing and emailing to potential employers. Remember to also save an editable version within Canva, making future updates and modifications incredibly convenient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.